Hello students. Now in this today's video lecture we will see about the different orientations of the aromatic compound. Particularly we are dealing with the benzene ring. Now what is this orientation? We know that benzene is having the different positions. Here in the last lecture we have seen about the difference mechanisms and all this. So this benzene, it is having this different position. Okay, so arrangement of this atoms or groups, okay, on the aromatic ring, it is called as orientation. Whether it is attached on the ortho position, meta position, what is the position of the atom or a group attached to the benzene ring, that relative arrangement of atoms or any group on benzene ring or aromatic compound, we call it as a orientation. Accordingly, this is related with the particularly monosubstituted benzene compound. Now suppose one monosubstituted benzene compound is there. See, suppose consider the example of this methyl benzene. Okay, this is a monosubstituted compound. In this case, methyl group is attached over here. Now what happens if this group attached to the benzene ring, it allow the another atom to get attached on this ortho or para position. Okay, येते लक्षात सगळ्यांना. समजा एखादा मोनो सबस्टिट्यूटेड कंपाऊंड बेन्झीन कंपाऊंड आहे आणि एक्स पकडू आपण इथे मिथिलच्या ऐवजी, आणि हा जो इथे एक एक्स ग्रुप अटॅच आहे, हा दुसरा ग्रुप जर आपण ऍड करतोय तर तो त्या ऍड होणाऱ्या ग्रुपला कुठे ओरिएंट करतो, कुठे डायरेक्ट करतो, तो ऑर्थो पोझिशनला अटॅच करतो. या दोन ऑर्थो पोझिशन असतात, एक पॅरा पोझिशन असते, तो या ऑर्थो पॅरा पोझिशनला अटॅच करतो की मेटा पोझिशनला अटॅच करतो. त्या बेसिसवर वी कॅन classify this orientation into two types. The first type is ortho and para directing. So what is this ortho and para directing group? This groups, it direct the second, already first तर आहे x, it direct the second coming group to the ortho and para position. तो कुठे अटॅच करणार आहे आपल्याला, ऑर्थो किंवा पॅरा पोझिशनला. जसं इथे बेन्झीन रिंगला हा एक एखादा ग्रुप अटॅच आहे. दिस इज अ ग्रुप. ओके, this is a group attached to the benzene ring monosubstituted. Now suppose this group direct the incoming group to this ortho and para position, then that group we called as a ortho and para directing group. इथे लक्षात सगळ्यांच्या. So first type of orientation is what? Ortho and para directing group. आणि आपण याला define कसं करणार? The group which direct the second incoming group to the mainly ortho position or para position or even ortho and para position, it is called as ortho and para directing group. Okay, in this group what happens? Except alkyl group, remaining key atoms have negative charge or a lone pair of electron. Okay, कोणते असू शकतात मग ऑर्थो अँड पॅरा? जर फक्त CH3 ग्रुप सोडला, आर ग्रुप, दिस आर ग्रुप, अगर अपन ये R group छोड़ा तो remaining compound they contain a lone pair of electrons. So we can say that the lone pair of electron containing compounds, they generally direct the second incoming group on this aromatic ring to the ortho and para position. Such group which directs the incoming second substituent group to the ortho and para position, that group we call as a ortho and para directing. And even these groups are activating group. They activate the benzene ring. How we can see in the next video. Now see the second position. Here there is a meta directing group. Again some corrections are there. This is a meta directing group. See, meta directors groups are there. Now what are these meta directors group? Which direct the incoming second substituent group to the meta position of benzene. You know the meta position. Here suppose this is a X already present. Now this methyl group, if it direct the incoming second compound to this position, अगर हमने X लगाया और हमको और Cl भी लगाना है, कोई Br लगाना है CH3 के साथ, और अगर ये ग्रुप उसको यहाँ डायरेक्ट कर रहा है, this is a meta position. So that group we called as a meta directing group. In case of ortho and para directing, these are the some example: NH2, NHR, NR2, OH, OR, C6H5, R group, H group. We call this group as a ortho and para directing group. They generally contain the lone pair of electron. While these are all are the meta directing group. These groups are the meta directing group. Okay. In this case, the key atoms have the positive charge. In this case, these key atoms, they have the positive charge, or a group it has a positive charge attached to more electronegative atom by multiple bonds. Clear? So example of meta directing, CHO, SO3H, COH, COR, CN group, NO2 group. All these are the meta-directing group. Please concentrate. Neglect this orthopara. It is a meta-directing group. Generally question विचारला जातो परीक्षेमध्ये की identify the ortho and para-directing group, meta-directing group. Fill in the blanks मध्ये choose the correct option मध्ये there is a question related to this orientation. Two types of orientations are possible in aromatic ring: ortho-para-directing group and meta-directing group. The group which direct the incoming second substituent group to the ortho and para position, then that groups are known as ortho and para directing groups, while as the group which direct the second incoming substituent to the meta position, that group we called as a meta directing groups. Okay, now again there are two types, whether this ortho and meta directing group they activate the benzene ring or deactivate the benzene ring. Now what is this activation and deactivation of the benzene ring? Now see first example of the phenol compound. Phenol it contain benzene ring la C6H5OH, OH group. This oxygen atom it has a lone pair of electron. Okay, now what happens? This lone pair of electron takes part in a resonance. Okay, cis pair of electron is shifted over here. So this pair of electron comes over here. Okay, then this pair of electron is shifted over here. Again this pair of electron come to the para position. In the next resonating structure this pair of electron comes to this position. These are the different resonating forms of the OH group. Okay, now from this what happens, what you can see, काय लक्षात येते आपल्याला की ऑन ऑर्थो पोझिशन अँड पॅरा पोझिशन देअर इज अ प्रेझेन्स ऑफ निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. आलं. आणि आपण कोणत्या टाईपचे रिॲक्शन जनरली बेन्झिनच्या म्हणतोय किंवा या एरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंडच्या म्हणतोय? इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन. इलेक्ट्रोफाईलला अटॅक करतोय. इलेक्ट्रोफाईल कॅरी पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज, त्या इलेक्ट्रॉन लविंग. तो सेकंड जो ग्रुप येणार आहे इथे आणि इथे निगेटिव्ह चार्ज आहे आणि इथे कोणताही चार्ज नाही मेटा पोझिशनला. इट इज न्यूट्रल. नॅचरली इट गेट अटॅक बाय दिस पोझिशन ऑर्थो अँड पॅरा. So what happened? This OH, it is a ortho and para directing. OH is a ortho and para directing group. Clear? आणि या निगेटिव्ह चार्ज इथे डेव्हलप झाल्यामुळे तो काय झाला, ऑर्थो आणि पोझिशनला किंवा इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक अटॅक साठी इट ऍक्टिव्हेट द बेन्झिन रिंग. ठीक आहे, न्यूट्रल पेक्षा त्यांनी त्या बेन्झिन रिंगला निगेटिव्ह चार्ज प्रोव्हाइड करून त्या बेन्झिन रिंगला ऍक्टिव्हेट केलेला आहे. याला म्हणतात ऍक्टिव्हेटिंग ग्रुप. OH काय झाला मग? Benzene activating group. See here, some groups are activating group. NH2, NHR, OH. Generally, ortho-para directing group, they activate the benzene ring by providing the negative charge on ortho and para position. But some groups, they deactivate. They are the electron withdrawing group. They remove the electron away from the benzene ring. So, what happens? There is a positive charge on ortho and para position. So there is no attack of positive का positive पे attack कैसे होगा? So they deactivate the benzene ring. They deactivate the benzene ring. Generally this meta directing group they deactivate the benzene ring. Now what is the case? Here consider the first case of phenol which we have seen. In case of phenol two effects are there, resonance effect and inductive effect, which explain the directing influence of the corresponding group, OH group, whether it is ortho and para directing and it activate the ring. Now this OH group it is a ortho and para directing which we have proof by means of this pair of electron. Okay, by means of this pair of electron. यहाँ पे electron pair है ortho and para position पे, so electrophile can easily attack on ortho and para position. So OH group is ortho and para directing. Similarly, it activate the benzene ring. Now naturally OH it shows the negative inductive effect. It withdraw the electron away from the benzene ring. But this effect is negligible as compared to this effect, and hence we can say that this OH group it is a ortho para directing group and it activate the benzene ring. Activate the benzene ring for what? For the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now consider the next example. Cl group, chlorobenzene. What happens in case of chlorobenzene? Again, chlorobenzene it is having the Cl atom. Okay, and this Cl also contain a pair of electron. It take parts in the resonance and there is a negative charge. See here, during this resonating structure there is a negative charge at ortho and para position. तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कहाँ अटैक करेगा? ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजिशन पे. So again Cl is a ortho and para directing group. But the resonance effect, sorry, inductive effect of chlorobenzene it is very strong because Cl is a strongly electronegative element. It withdraw the electron away from this benzene ring very strongly and hence overall we can say it deactivate the benzene ring. Overall effect is what? ये दो इफेक्ट को अगर हम कंबाइन करके देखें तो it deactivate the benzene ring. Cl group, it is a ortho and para directing group because of the pair of electron and resonance effect. It shows the pair of electron at ortho and para position. So it is ortho and para directing, but the inductive effect of chlorine atom, it is very strong. Cl is highly electronegative. It withdraw the electron away from the benzene ring, and hence the overall effect is it is ortho and para directing, but it deactivate the benzene ring. Then see the third group, methyl group. Example is toluene, C6H5 CH3 methyl group. Now alkyl groups, we know that what happens in case of alkyl group, they are ortho and para directing, though they contain the positive charge, and this we can explain on the basis of its hyperconjugation effect. These structures we have already seen in case of the different effect, no bond effect, है ना? So what happens during this no bond effect? There is a presence of pair of electron at ortho and para position. Negative charge आ रहा है, so naturally the incoming electrons easily get attacked at this ortho and para position rather than meta position, which is neutral. So again, toluene group, methyl group is ortho and para directing, and it releases electron away from itself. So it does remove the electron away from the benzene, it supply the electron to the benzene, so it shows the positive inductive effect. And this two total effect, what happens, this is a ortho and para directing, and it what happens, it activate the benzene ring. So methyl benzene, that is toluene, it is methyl CH3 group, it is ortho and para directing, and it activate the benzene rings. Now consider the fourth case, NO2 group, nitrobenzene group. See here the structure of NO2 group, N double bond and O and bond O. Now what happens, the oxygen is more electronegative, so it takes the pair of electron from here and carry the negative charge. Okay, and what happens, एक pair of electron चले गई तो nitrogen क्या करेगा, it is more electronegative than carbon, so it attracts this pair of electron towards itself. There is a presence of double bond. Now see here, there is a positive charge at the ortho position. This compound, it has a resonating structure where this now para position carry positive charge. It shows again one more resonating structure where there is a positive charge at another ortho position. Means see in these three structures what happens, there are the positive charges on the ortho and para position. Now what happens when the electrophile attack this? Naturally there is a repulsion between electrophilic reagent, which is also positively charged, and this ortho and para position here where there is a presence of positive charge. So ये incoming इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिएजेंट ऑर्थो और पैरा पे तो अटैक नहीं कर सकता, वो कहाँ अटैक करेगा, जहां पे ये न्यूट्रल है, मेटा पोजीशन पे. सो वी कैन से दैट फ्रॉम दिस डिफरेंट रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर इट इज सीन दैट दिस NO2 group is meta directing, and again because of the electron withdrawing capacity of NO2 group, it deactivate the benzene ring, it deactivate the benzene ring. So this is related to the different डायरेक्टिंग इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द मॉडर्न इलेक्ट्रॉनिक थ्योरी. फार इंपॉर्टेंट है, फार ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आप लोगों के लिए ये, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन आता है एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए, तो यू हैव टू राइट अ डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म ऑल्सो. NO2 group, it is meta directing and deactivating, negative inductive effect है, so it remove the electron away and it is a deactivating. Again from this different resonating structure, ortho or para position carry positive charge, so it is a meta directing. Okay, Cl group नहीं चाहिए, this is again CH3 group. CH3 group, it is a ortho and para directing, and it activate the benzene ring, which we explain on the basis of hyperconjugation effect. Cl, what happened in case of Cl, it is ortho and para directing, but its negative inductive effect is very strong, so it deactivate the benzene ring. And OH group, phenol, ortho and para directing with negative inductive effect, though it has a negative inductive effect, but its resonance effect is very strong, and hence it is a activating group. Clear? So hope you understand this directing influence on the basis of modern theory. Here we have completed our complete fourth unit. Okay, now I am posting some notes as well as some question for you. In case of any difficulty, you go through this video twice or thrice. I have completed my complete third and fourth unit. In case of any difficulty, please contact me. I will help you at my best. Okay, so next we will see regarding the different questions. Okay, so thank you very much.